Human beings, Africans, even human beings, we need to challenge ourselves and say, why? Why do we have even gone to a point where we are reduced to simply admiring others. And others meaning not others among us, no, others outside of the continent. Why don't we do things so that we can actually admire each other among us? There are people who are capable of doing good things, and why don't we join them and do exactly that instead? And that attitude, that mindset of admiring others is what reduces us to being subjects of all kinds of dictates. And for us, we are reduced to lamenting and complaining and you see. I mean, we just have to, and this is a place, this is a school, that's ideas here that really we should reflect on, and that should drive our behaviors and actions going forward.